Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're at Paine Field in Everett, Washington to explore Boeing's Future Flight exhibit and spot airplanes. We flew an Alaska flight from San Francisco directly into the Paine Field this morning. Yes, Paine Field has been mainly used by Boeing, but it also has commercial flights. We rented a car with Avis in the terminal, and the Future Flight is just a 3 minutes drive away. Wow! Just look at this! Right outside the Future Flight, we can see a whole line of airplanes spread across the field. Some are already painted in bright airline colors, and others are still waiting to be finished in green and gray colors. Standing here and seeing so many giant planes all together feels absolutely incredible. We've got our little travel buddy with us, and together we'll check out some amazing aviation displays inside, and then head outside for a closer look at the airport, where we can spot brand new Boeing airplanes waiting to take the skies. Let's get started. This is the entrance to the Boeing factory tour. We wanted to take Little Chester for it, but we couldn't. Boeing has a safety requirement that every factory tour participant must be at least 4 feet or 122 centimeters tall, so young kids may not make it. Anyways, this video can explain how airplanes are built too. Look, these are models of all types of aircraft and even rockets and space shuttles manufactured by Boeing or have Boeing developed components. Boeing 747 is the first jumbo jet in aviation history, manufactured right here in the Boeing Everett facility since the 1960s till 2023. Featured modified versions of 747 include the Dreamlifter, which carries large parts of 787 Dreamliner. There are 4 of them in total currently in active operation. Besides, the Everett Production Facility also produces Boeing 777 and Boeing 787 Dreamliner. With improved engine reliability, both of them use the twin-engine design to be more fuel efficient compared to 747 with 4 engines. 767, though isn't featured among the exhibits, is still in limited active production with its military variant KC-46 tanker Pegasus. The rest of exhibits feature futuristic aircraft prototypes at the kids areas. We will go upstairs to the observation deck just in a few more seconds. Here we go. The airplane being tested on the runway is a cargo plane built for UPS. Behind it, we can see the Dreamlifter. The Boeing facility in front of us holds the world record of being the largest building on Earth by volume. It is a typical cloudy day in the Pacific Northwest, so we cannot see as far as Mount Baker and Mount Rainier. It is amazing to see so many new airplanes. Look, the UPS cargo is out. It accelerates, decelerates, and turns around. At a corner of Paine Field, there are quite a few Southwest Airlines Boeing 737s. Wait, 737s are built at Renton, Washington. It turns out that this is an independent airplane maintenance company. Not far from this corner, we can see a line of new airplanes and KC-46 tankers modified from Boeing 767 An interesting fact is that those tankers without US flag on the tail are built for Japan. Right there, it is the Flying Heritage and Combat Armor Museum. That is our next destination. Want to see what's in there? Follow us to watch our next episode. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, click the like button and don't forget to subscribe for more content like this. Your support will help our channel grow. See you in the next one.